Kanji number 108, South. The kanji of like that. And the south here in Japanese, Minami. Minami. That means south. Minami. Minami. The meaning, the south. Minami. And another, here is another sound, two sound. One is Minami, another one is nan. Nan. Another one is nan. So two sound. Minami has a on meaning. Minami, that means a south. But nan, here is we can use other parts as like as to nan Asia. To nan. To nan. To nan Asia. To nan, this is katakana, this is hiragana. To nan Asia. So to nan, to means to. So to nan. So here we can write the nan. First this one, later this one. To nan Asia. To nan Asia, that means Southeast Asia. Southeast Asia. To nan Asia, that means Southeast Asia. Another one is, we know the Minami. Minami Gucci. South exit. South exit. The pronunciation is Minami Gucci. Minami Gucci. Minami Gucci. South exit. Minami Gucci. So the kanji stroke. So this one first. Here is long. Second one a little short. And fourth here. Third this one. Fourth that one. This one. Later. 1, 2 and long. So again, ichi, ni, san, yon, go, loku, nana. So again, it, ni, san, yon, go, look, nana, hachi. So this stroke. Here is main sound is Minami, another sound is nan. So Minami itself has a meaning south, and nan means to nan Asia, that means Southeast Asia. To nan Asia, that means Southeast Asia.